After a nice stretch of fall weather we've had over the past several days, looks like some wintry stuff coming in as the first real blast of cold weather, especially as we head toward the middle and end of this week. Did issue some winter storm watches this morning just for the northwestern mountains, the Azorcas, Yellowstone, as well as the Tetons. Goes into effect on Wednesday morning, so the next couple of days shouldn't be too bad. It runs through Thursday. I think that'll be the maximum impact day across much of the area. When we time out the impacts across the area, you can see northwestern mountains, there'll be some light snow around during the day today. Start time late Tuesday night, maximum impact though Wednesday night into Thursday. That's pretty much the rule across much of the area. Although as you go toward the lower elevations east of the divide, we'll be pretty much dry through most of Wednesday. Later Wednesday night, but especially Thursday, will be the maximum impact there. Now our confidence in the details, western mountains, that's up to moderate right now. They probably are looking at a good amount of snow, especially in the higher elevations. Now the western valleys, east of the divide, still low in the details. We're confident everybody will get some snow. Exactly how much? Still some flux on that since it's a few days away. I'll show you probabilistic stuff to show you a range of possibilities. Now this goes through Thursday morning. Our high-res models don't only go out this far. They don't go out through Thursday. So I'll have a video tomorrow. I'll show you more details on this. But through early Thursday morning, 100% chance of seeing at least a trace of snow across the northwest with gradually tapering pops as you go from northwest to southeast. The rule of thumb with this storm is, I think for the most part, the further north and west you go, the higher the impacts will be. Lesser impacts as you head further to the south. Bump this up to 2 inches again. This is through Tuesday morning. Most areas east of the divide probably not seeing very much. A very good chance of seeing that high amounts of snow there. Up to 6 inches. See a great chance of seeing at least 6 inches by Thursday morning across the higher elevations here. East of the divide, lower elevations, not that much of a chance. Maybe around Jackson if things set up right and it gets a little cooler than we think. Now another range of possibilities. Expect at least this much snow through Thursday morning. Low end amounts. Much of the area east of the divide might not see any by this point. Maybe at least about 3, maybe 6 inches across the Tetons, higher elevations of the Azorcas. Now the worst case scenario, likely maximum amount by 6 a.m. on Thursday. Maybe locally over a foot across the higher elevations of the northwestern mountains. Maybe up to 3 to 5 inches across Cody or Powell if the cold air comes in a little bit faster. 2 to 3 across the rest of the Bighorn Basin. But anywhere, say, south of the Isle Creek Bridger Ranges, not looking at a ton of snow through Thursday morning. The high maximum impacts here will be during the day on Thursday. But the most noticeable thing, I think, for a lot of people is it's been very mild lately. We've had highs in the 60s, even the 70s. Well, see it toward Thursday, and especially Friday into the weekend, you're not going to see that. Here's a change in temperatures ending on Thursday. So basically take the high today and take this many degrees off. It's not going to be 33 below. Don't worry about that. This is how much colder it's going to be. The whole area, there's 20 to 30, maybe 35 degrees colder on Thursday. That's going to be on Monday. So you know what that means? It's going to be a slap to the face there. That hurt. I got to stop doing that. And you want some resources, you want forecasts, let's go to our website, weather.gov/RIW. Road conditions. Don't call us for road conditions. Go here, wireroad.info on the web, 511 on the phone in-state, 188 Wire Road out-of-state. You can see our webcams by route there. Be safe, everybody.